Looking for a retractable tonneau cover that actually delivers on its promises? You're not alone. With dozens of options flooding Amazon, finding one that protects your cargo, looks sleek, and doesn't leak like a sieve can feel impossible. I've spent weeks researching forum discussions, analyzing real user reviews, and comparing specs to bring you the 5 best retractable tonneau covers that truck owners swear by. Links to all products in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. SADELOOS Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. Starting strong with the SADELOOS. And honestly, this newcomer is making waves for good reason. What immediately sets it apart is the keyless combination lock system. No more fumbling for keys in the rain or worrying about losing them. Just spin the 3 rotating numbers and you're in. Perfect for families where multiple people need access to the truck bed. The construction quality is impressive. We're talking double-layer matte black powder coating over aluminum with a sandblasted finish. It's not just about looks. This finish resists scratches and UV damage far better than standard coatings. The automatic retraction feature works smoothly. Unlock it and the cover opens on its own. Close it with a simple pull rope. No fighting with stubborn mechanisms. Here's something worth noting. As a newer brand, SADELOOS doesn't have the decades-long track record of premium manufacturers. However, the eco-friendly recyclable aluminum construction and competitive pricing make this an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice quality. Installation is straightforward. No drilling required. Just clamp-on installation that takes about an hour with 2 people. Available for multiple truck models, including Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Ford F-150 variants including Raptor and Lightning, and Ford Ranger. Check the description for your specific bed size. Number 2. Bestwyll BY22 Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover. The Bestwyll BY22 brings something genuinely innovative to the table. This cover uses the original factory screw holes for mounting. Why does that matter? Superior stability. Instead of relying solely on clamps, you're integrating with your truck's existing structure. The result? A more refined appearance and rock-solid attachment. The spring-loaded automatic retraction is buttery smooth. One user described it as having fighter jet precision, and that's not far off. Pull the strap, and it glides back into the canister. Effortlessly. No manual pushing required. The 3-position hover control lets you stop the cover at different points, which is incredibly useful when loading oversized items that need partial bed access. One consideration. Some customers mentioned installation took longer than the estimated time, particularly getting the alignment perfect. Bestwyll provides detailed instructions, and YouTube installation videos are highly recommended. Once properly installed, though, the stability and smooth operation make the extra setup time worthwhile. Water management is well engineered, with integrated seals and drainage tubes. Heavy rain and car washes won't compromise your cargo. Bestwyll has over 11 years of manufacturing experience and supplies accessories for multiple international automotive brands. That's not some fly-by-night operation. Number 3. Back Revolver X4S Hard Rolling Cover. The Back Revolver X4S takes a different approach. While technically a hard rolling cover rather than a traditional retractable, it deserves this spot because it delivers outstanding performance that rivals pure retractables. Car and Drivers testing confirmed it offers significantly better structural rigidity and security compared to soft roll options. The all-matte black design is stunning. Top to bottom, including the aluminum underbody, everything is blacked out for a cohesive, premium appearance. Operation is dead simple. One-hand operation using the pull-down tailgate cable to unlock and roll. The patented rotational locking system secures the entire bed length on both sides, not just at the tailgate. Industrial-grade vinyl wraps the aluminum slats, providing heavy-duty protection while maintaining flexibility. When rolled up, it sits tight against the cab without obstructing your rear window or third brake light. This matters for safety and aesthetics. The 5-year warranty and made-in-USA construction speak to Back's confidence in their product. Installation requires no drilling and takes roughly 30 to 45 minutes. The improved weather seals represent a significant upgrade over older Back models. Available for most popular truck models on Amazon. Check your specific bed size before ordering. Number 4. Gator Recoil Retractable Tonneau Cover. The Gator Recoil punches way above its weight class. You're getting premium quality at nearly half the price of top-tier brands, and that value proposition, hard to ignore. All aluminum construction includes the side rails, slats, and protective canister. This isn't some aluminum wrapped in plastic situation, it's the real deal. The UV-resistant matte black powder-coated finish guards against corrosion and fading. Even after years of sun exposure, this cover maintains its appearance. Sealed ball-bearing rollers provide effortless operation with zero maintenance required. No greasing, no adjusting, just smooth gliding action every single time. What makes the Gator Recoil particularly appealing is the 3 adjustable locking positions plus movable latch stops. This gives you unlimited custom locking points along the bed rails. Need to haul something tall but want partial bed access? Lock it wherever you need. The quick-release handle on the driver's side makes access convenient. Installation is simple clamp-on style, taking about 30 minutes from box to bed. 2-year warranty and made in USA with globally sourced materials. For the price point, typically around $900, the Gator Recoil delivers exceptional value. Number 5. TruXedo Sentry CT Retractable Tonneau Cover. Rounding out our list is the TruXedo Sentry CT, which takes premium materials seriously. Instead of traditional vinyl, TruXedo uses matte black woven canvas bonded to aluminum slats. This canvas construction offers superior durability and a dirt-resistant surface that stays cleaner longer with minimal maintenance. Dual slam latches automatically lock when closed from either side, and the center security latch adds an additional locking point for peace of mind. One-hand operation uses a simple pull cable system that anyone can master immediately. When rolled up, it stays tight against the cab, never blocking your rear window or brake light visibility. The main consideration here is price. The Sentry CT commands a premium over the standard Sentry because of that canvas material and the extended 5-year warranty versus the standard 3. You're paying for quality and longevity. If budget is tight, the Sentry offers similar functionality at a lower price point, but the CT's canvas durability justifies the investment for serious truck owners. Installation takes under 30 minutes with self-leveling rails and no special tools required. Made in USA with globally sourced materials. TruXedo's reputation for quality customer service means if you encounter issues, they'll take care of you. Available for Ford F-150, Chevy and GMC Sierra and Silverado, Dodge Ram 1500, and even the compact Ford Maverick. That wraps up our top 5 retractable tonneau covers. Each brings unique strengths whether you prioritize innovative features, budget value, or premium materials. Check those description links for detailed specs and current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.